Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to subscribe and to like us and share, because YouTube is banning us because, I don't know, we're slot cars. Why would they ban us if we're slot cars? No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, don't forget to share us and like us and all that kind of stuff on the below here. Send us comments. All right, so now this is another car from the Zombie set, Zombie Escape from Auto World. I bought 200 of these sets. I bought them out. I bought every one they had because I wanted to own them all. Just like I own all the Petties and Bakers, all the drag strip races and F1s. I bought them all because I want to control the market. No, I want people to have the cars. And so anyways, I broke a bunch of sets up because these were never released as an individual car. And this is the VW Beetle, like an off-road. Okay, like some Baja, something you'd see, it's got your fuel tanks for zombies because you're shooting or running around shooting up zombies. Again, this is a magnet traction chassis. Okay, so this is the magnet traction chassis. You got your magnet here. You got your chassis. This is your clip that you can take it apart and to dissect the car. It's got heavy duty wide tires, obviously, because you're going to be off-roading, crushing zombies, running them over. It's got your beautiful zombie, little headlights, little back here Beetle. And so this is another awesome car. Okay, this is a magnet traction. And you could be chasing the police car, running around, or the zombies. Now, when you buy this from me, now I've broken these down up, so I sell this separately. You'll also send you a bag of zombies, so you can put them on the road and run into them. That'd be great for the kids. Put them on the road here and get the zombies. Well, here, you know what? What the heck? Let's put a zombies up and we'll run into them, okay? Because zombies aren't real, and zombies, it's funny. All these zombie movies, people want to have compassion for these zombies, like. They're zombies. They're dead. Okay, so you can't have any compassion on the dead. So don't worry about it. Okay, so here are all the zombies on the road. So let's go wipe them out here. Boom. See, that's the problem with these zombie movies. All you can do, get a good truck, okay? Like maybe a semi or maybe a pickup truck. Put a nice bulldozer on it and just run them over, because the zombies are zombies, and that's how you can get rid of all your zombies. I mean, in these zombie movies, I think they're idiots because they never see to kill the zombies. It's like, all they are is dead flesh. So it'd be easy. Just get a semi. No, I know a better thing. Why don't you go get one of those giant rolling things that you would roll on the highway? You could just flat them. You could just run up to it and run them over. You could do millions of zombies and flatten them out. Yeah, let's put the zombies on the road again. Yeah, okay, good. All right, here we come around with the zombies here. Boo! No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so that's the zombies. You're going to get a bag of zombies and the VW Beetle at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like us and subscribe and to share. This is the VW Beetle.